Guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be straight piping this lawnmower. It's almost like Craftsman wants you to do this because it's one bolt, 1 9/16 bolt, and the muffler's off. Also, if you come over here, we got a new lawnmower. It's a wheel horse with a plow on the front. I'm going to be using this in the winter. I got to fix it up a little bit, need some work here and there, but it's got wheel weights. Yeah, it's pretty nice. So, let's get this muffler off, and yeah. Alright, got the muffler off. Right there. Cold start time. Alright, we got the trailer on it. I'm going to go load up Blue Bandit and just see how it fits, because that's one that's going to be on the trailer the most. Alright, so the new wheel horse out there broke down while pulling the trailer with the canoe. So we need to go get the Craftsman pull back.